In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an opening balance in Zoho Books. This process can seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down into simple, manageable steps so you can follow along easily. Whether you're a seasoned Zoho Books user or just getting started, importing your opening balance is a crucial task for setting up your financials accurately within the system. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is sign in to Zoho Books. You'll see the option to sign in right on the homepage. Click on that, and once prompted, select the Google sign-in option. This is where you'll choose the Google account associated with your Zoho Books account to proceed further. If you haven't set this up yet, ensure you've linked them to streamline your access. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the interface where you'll find the Settings button. Settings in Zoho Books is your hub for configuring everything to match your business's needs, so it's important to familiarize yourself with its layout. Within Settings, look for the section labeled Organization. Clicking here will take you to where you can manage everything directly related to your organization's profile and setup. From your organization settings, you'll need to find the option titled Opening Balances. It's crucial to enter your opening balances accurately to ensure your financial reports reflect your current financial standing. Select Opening Balances to move to the next step. Now locate and click on Edit. This is going to allow you to modify or update any existing information that is currently in the system related to your opening balances. If you're importing balances, you're probably doing it from a file you've prepared ahead of time. Look to the top right corner of the screen for Import Opening Balances and click that. This handy feature will guide you through importing details directly from your files, saving you from manually entering every detail. A new window will open, prompting you to upload your file. Locate it on your computer and ensure every detail in this CSV file is correct. Accuracy here is critical, as any errors in your uploaded file can create discrepancies in your financial figures. Double checking before you import can save you from potential headaches later on. Once your file is uploaded, click Next to proceed. You'll be asked to verify the fields you wish to import. This helps Zoho Books understand exactly what data it's pulling in and where to place each bit of information. If everything checks out, click Next once more to start the actual importing process. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough to importing your opening balance in Zoho Books. As a final tip, ensure that every piece of information in your CSV file aligns perfectly with Zoho's requirements to avoid any import hiccups. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your financial management in Zoho Books.